last time before I make it back to Florida, and I really just kind of want to pop in today and just kind of see what's new. So let's just go see what all has come in this week, and yeah, let's just, you know, go have our Dollar Tree fun. Alright, birds love Dollar Tree. I also want to get some candy as well, so I can't forget that, because I am headed to the airport after this. Maybe I'll do like a little bit airport vlogging for you guys in here as well. But yeah, I really just kind of want to go see what's new. Don't know that I'm going to walk away with that much because my baggage is already packed, but let's go. Okay, these are cute and they're new. Oh God, see, I need to come back home because like I would have bought those. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, you know how I feel about gnomes, but like, I want this one. I want this one. Oh, I want this one too. Do I have this one? Look at him. Okay, why is that adorable? These look new. These little like garden or stair lights. Ooh. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, whenever you see these, get them. Get them. Like, just get them. Glass bottles. Fill your water up, put it in your fridge. It's so much better than having them in plastic. Like, now I'm gonna be on the hunt for these in Florida because I need them. Now, these are just like every parent's nightmare, but yeah, we're the ones that buy them, or like I do. These aren't really new, but they have just come out this season. I'm just obsessed with junk journaling with them, so they're just gonna make it in today's video. Like, you can turn them into pockets, into little like folders, even the small ones. I've actually turned these small ones into a garland on my channel as a DIY, FYI. Oh my gosh, look at these adorable little floaties. I can't. They've got all the summer stuff out. Florida has a lot just because I live by the beach, but like, look how cute. See, I said that the summer colors were gonna be neon. Look at these. Those are so cute. Even if it's like just for a photo op, I mean, it's $1.25. Like, those would photograph so cute on Instagram. Wait, what is this? Y'all. A bubble fan and tray, which, by the way, hack. Get this. Even if you're an adult, you don't have... Even if even if you're an adult and don't have kids, get this, fill it up with bubbles, and you can use this to keep away mosquitoes. Bubbles keep away mosquitoes. Get this. Look how freaking precious this is. Sierra, if you're watching this video, get this for Cameron, because y'all go to the beach, and this would just be so cute for her to play with. Get this, get this. Oh, here's purple. So there's purple, green, pink. Oh my God, I just want to take all this home with me. Love this section. What is this? All right. I think is he missing a leg or no? What is this? Soft foam disc blaster. This is fun. I feel like also if you like have a very fun like office environment, maybe this would be a really cute thing to like get and put on everyone's desk. Maybe like you mess with each other or something. You know, it's just like soft foam, so it's not like it's gonna hurt or anything. But yeah, those are cute. Red and blue. Let's see. I mean, a lot of, like, some of this, like, you just have to be able to tell is new. Like, they always have Mickey Mouse figures, but these are new. Something about them just has, like their positions are different. Like, he's on a skateboard. So, always got to be, like, on the lookout. Like, look, we've got Toy Story. So cute. Oh, Coco. Coco's on here. Look, oh my gosh. Rex is never an option. Look, Bo Peep is here. Wow, I'm shook. I really wish I had room in my luggage for all this. Okay, what is this? This is definitely striking out as new to me. I don't know what waggles are, but like, listen, it's probably a big deal. It's got the seesaw here. Oh my, look at this chic kitchen playset. What? Wait. Oh, here's some more waggles. They got the merry-go-round. Look, they've got the swing set. That probably seems like a big deal. What is this? Totally tiny. Oh, haven't I gotten these before? I love the little mystery packs. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I even watch videos on YouTube, like people just like opening up mystery packs, and it's like a guilty pleasure. Okay. This little house is everything. You can do so much with it. Trust me, you can turn, like, you can spray paint this like black and make it chic if you want, turn it into a haunted house if you want. But you can also like turn them into like a candle holder, like the Bath and Body Works. You just take two of them together kind of thing. Yeah, that's really cool. Oh, these are back. I have not seen these in so long. Why does this frog look poisonous? Wow. It's been a while since I've personally seen that. Crazy Eights. I'm like addicted to collecting Crazy Eights, but I already have that one. Like the baby sections, cute little rubber duckies. Okay, I've got to get this little robot sticker pack, so that's going in my basket. I'm probably gonna head off to the airport early, so maybe I need to get, I want Sudoku, so I don't want, oh, here we go. Look at that. The perfect size. That one's kind of messed up. Here's another one. Oops. What's that? Oh my god, they made a word hunt in pocket size. Which, okay, probably doesn't seem like a big deal because there's always word hunt in the pocket size, but this word hunt is this. It's this brand. The ones that do like this background, see how the font looks like that? See, it's the same font, so it's like the same company basically. Here's another one, the red. I'm gonna get this one for the airport. Okay, this looks new. Look at that. Seems like, what are they calling this? A tablet stand. For $1.25, it's white chic. Okay, get this. Listen, I don't know why, but this is going in my cart, okay? That's it. There's no explanation. Oh my gosh, how have I not seen this mermaid pack? Okay, we're getting that one. Wait, do I have the little pigs that fly? Wait. Okay, we're getting like 3 of those. I spy a new composition notebook. Yeah, I'm getting it. It's gonna make it into my luggage. I don't know how. Look at this one. The little peace signs. What's this one? Oh, that's so cute. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, wait. Why does this look new? I feel like I don't have this, so I'm gonna grab it. But now I gotta look and see if there's more. Because you know me, I'm not just gonna buy one. Not like I have this one. Not on my watch. I gotta have more than one. Cause I'm just crazy, honestly. Oh my gosh, wait. Do I have this one too? Oh, here's another one. Oh my god. First time ever metal ribbon. Look, wait. I don't understand. You know, y'all know how I feel about Jot. Like, Jot has my heart, and I'm kind of like snippy. I get a little sassy with Crafter Square, but damn it, I like them too. You know, I'm just gonna embrace it. Like, look how cute all this is. I can't. God, I love this store. Why do I get overwhelmed with happiness? It's just so freaking ridiculous. Ooh, tie-dye. Wait. No, I have that. Ooh, this one's cute. Very 80s. These are great to junk journal with, but this pink tie-dye one, do I have the pink tie-dye? I know I bought several tie-dyes. I know I got orange and yellow, but did I get pink? Do I have room for this? I have room for this. It's freaking, like, bendable. Yeah, I might get this. I've already hauled this, but it has to make it in today's video. Look at this. They have sea salt hair spritz. Not a spray, a spritz. Love that. Oh my gosh, what is this? That is so cute. Wow. Oh no, the little bumblebees. Oh, I want to get these for my niece, but she's still so little. I mean, I could always just like hold on to them for a while. Okay, I'm gonna roll the dice and pray that I can find these in Florida. Look at this, a brush on nail glue. It goes on clear. This is definitely new as well. Okay, candy section. What do I want to travel with? Okay, I definitely want turtles again. So we're gonna get turtles. We're gonna get Twix. You think I would just stop there? I'm not gonna stop there. I don't know why this popped into my head, but can you imagine if I brought like an easy bake oven and I started baking in the Dollar Tree? Would that make any sense? Or, you know what I've noticed that I have not seen at any Dollar Trees in Florida, here, nowhere. They stopped selling the popcorn bags, and I don't even know how to process, but this caught my eye. 4 corn holders. These are definitely new. I love the colors. Okay, finally a print that Dollar Tree just like nailed. Run to get this if this is like your style, because oh my god. Wait, we got some lemons, but we've seen this lemon print before. This kind of looks updated, but that kind of doesn't. Okay, got the goods. Now I'm gonna go ahead and head off to the airport. It's a little too early, but why not? I'll probably find a little restaurant. Maybe they'll still serving breakfast or something. Edit this video for you guys. But let's go to DFW.